Welcome back to Sustainability Ventures, where we look past green labels and into the science behind sustainability claims. Fashion brands now promise sustainable fabrics, eco-collections, conscious clothing. But here's the uncomfortable question. Do fashion sustainability claims align with material science reality? This isn't anti-fashion. This isn't anti-innovation. It's about physics, chemistry, and trade-offs, not marketing slogans. Let's examine what clothes are actually made of. All clothing is material science, whether it's cotton, polyester, wool, viscose, or bio-based fibers. Each material has physical limits. No fabric is impact-free. Yet sustainability messaging often simplifies materials into natural equals good, synthetic equals bad. But nature doesn't automatically mean low impact, and synthetic doesn't automatically mean harmful. Impact depends on resource intensity, energy use, durability, and end-of-life behavior. Cotton is often marketed as the sustainable default. It's natural, it's biodegradable, but from a material science perspective, cotton is water-intensive, requires heavy pesticide use, and degrades faster than many synthetics. In dry regions, cotton cultivation can deplete aquifers and increase soil salinity. Organic cotton reduces chemical use, but often produces lower yields, increasing land demand. So cotton sustainability depends heavily on where it's grown, how it's managed, and how long the garment lasts. Polyester is often labeled unsustainable because it's fossil-based. But material science tells a more complex story. Polyester is extremely durable, lightweight, resistant to moisture and microbes. A polyester garment can last longer, require less frequent washing, maintain structure over time. From a life cycle perspective, durability matters. A garment worn twice as long halves its production footprint per wear. The problem isn't that polyester exists, it's how fast fashion uses it. Viscose, rayon, modal, often marketed as natural-based. Yes, they start from plant cellulose, but turning trees into soft fabric requires chemical solvents, energy-intensive processing, and wastewater treatment. Some production systems cause toxic emissions, deforestation pressure. From a chemistry standpoint, viscose is not simply plant fiber. It's a chemically regenerated material, with impacts closer to synthetics than cotton. Fashion loves to talk about recycling, but material science imposes hard limits. Most garments are blends, cotton plus polyester, elastane plus nylon. These blends are extremely difficult to separate. Mechanical recycling shortens fibers, reduces quality. Chemical recycling is energy-intensive, still limited at scale. So most recyclable clothes are, in practice, downcycled or landfilled. Design choices, not consumer behavior, create this problem. Every time we wash clothes, fibers shed. Synthetic fabrics release microplastics. Natural fibers release microfibers too, but with very different environmental behavior. Material structure determines shedding rate, fiber length, and persistence in ecosystems. Material science matters more than fiber origin alone, yet most sustainability claims ignore this entirely. Fashion sustainability isn't about choosing the right fiber. It's about durability, wear frequency, repairability, and responsible production. Material science teaches us one thing clearly. There are no perfect fabrics, only trade-offs. If we want fashion to become truly sustainable, we must design fewer, better garments, extend product lifetimes, and align claims with physical reality. If this video made you rethink green fashion labels, hit like, subscribe, and join the discussion. Should fashion sustainability focus less on materials and more on how clothes are designed, used, and kept? Thanks for watching, and remember, sustain